Hey guys, so I just went to Ulta because I'm out of foundation and this Tarte Shape Tape oxidizes so badly on my face. It literally goes like 3 shades darker. Beauty blenders. Bare Minerals Performance Wear Liquid Foundation in the color Golden Nude, Urban Decay Naked Skin in Fair Neutral. Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. Stay closed. Oily skin and stuff. Oh my god. Close! Anyway, Bare Minerals Prime Time. Oh, I just got too much. Oh well. Dip it in. That has a nice finish. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Chocolate by NYX Professional Makeup. Now we're going to use concealer for highlighting. See how it works there. Okay, so nothing's going to cover that pimple, just forewarning you. Okay, now that we're done with concealer and foundation and my eyebrows, the last new thing we have will be the Glow Kit. Powder, my Too Faced bronzer. I love this. I love this. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. This is what I was previously using. It's the Peel palette. And I was using this color right here. Gonna use Marshmallow to highlight right here. Why doesn't this have a mirror? I wish this had a mirror. Starburst color. The apples of my cheeks. Okay, so that doesn't show up too well, but it's enough for me because I don't really like blushes. Yeah, I'm still in middle school where nobody wears makeup. Yeah, I'm the only one in my grade who wears, like, it all. Concealer, foundation. Like, I know one girl on occasion will wear eyeliner, and another girl who will on occasion wear lip gloss. So if I per se wore like a dark berry, people would be like, why are you wearing so much makeup? And I'm like,
because it's a normal person thing.
because that's what I want to do. Finishing spray, Japanesque makeup setting spray. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!